Hello, everyone. Welcome to this video webinar of Juniper Hub. I'm Eduardo Baró, sales consultant at Juniper, and today I'm here to make the presentation of the solution offered by Juniper to empower the accommodation suppliers. This season will be recorded and then published in our website, ejuniper.com. On the right side of the screen, you have a chat where you can leave your questions and doubts. During this session, and I will give you answer of all of them once the presentation is over. I hope you like it and that we can start new projects with you very soon. As a start, we have an index. This is going to be the steps of the presentation: an introduction, requirements, benefits, how does it work, and conclusion. Juniper Hub is the solution offered by Juniper to accommodation suppliers that have their own technology or work through another technology platform, which will give you access to the Juniper ecosystem with thousands of potential customers globally. Juniper Hub acts as a technical intermediary that facilitates connectivity between suppliers and customers without intervening in the business rules and payments. Requirements. The fundamental requirement of Juniper Hub is being willing to grow within the Juniper ecosystem, where we have more than 1,500 active agencies buying accommodation product on a daily basis. It is essential to have an XML connection to Juniper. In case of not having it, it will be necessary that we review your API documentation to assess the viability and estimation of resources in order to perform the integration. Benefits. Expansion of reach and increase of sales via XML. You will be able to connect to more than 1,500 tourist companies, facilitating access to new customers and increasing market share. Direct and efficient management. Juniper acts as a bridge of facilitating the direct connection between suppliers and customer without intervening in business rules or payments. Maximum performance. Competitive response times, less than 400 milliseconds latency with up to 120 transactions per second, and improved look-to-book ratios thanks to the advanced cache system. Resource saving, plug-and-play connections that allow a supplier to connect to its customers in an average of 7 days. How does it work? Well, it's very, very simple. On the screen, you can see that we have the supplier on the left side of the screen, and it's directly connected via XML to Juniper Hub. And through Juniper Hub, you will be able to reach the client. As you can see, the business rules and the payments will be parallel. It means that the supplier have to set up the business rules on their side and also agree with the client how they are going to get paid. Conclusion. As you are aware, in a highly competitive and constantly evolving tourism market, connectivity and efficiency in the distribution of products are key to success. Juniper Hub is positioned as the ultimate solution for tourist suppliers looking to expand their distribution network, optimize their processes, and increase their profitability without incurring in costly technological integrations. That's thanks to its plug-and-play model. Juniper Hub allows to connect quickly, securely, and efficiently more than 1,500 buyers around the world without intervening in the business rules or payments. This means suppliers maintain the full control over the pricing, availability, and commercial agreements, with accessing a global network of potential customers without additional effort. Juniper Hub's competitive advantage, such as low latency, high performance, and distribution flexibility, make it an indispensable tool for any company in the industry looking to maximize sales and expand its presence globally. In short, Juniper Hub is not just a technological solution, but a strategic partner for companies looking to growth, differentiate themselves, and operate more efficiently in the travel industry. Ready to take the next step in the distribution of your business? Contact us and find out how Juniper Hub can transform your business strategy. Well, thank you for joining me today here. If you would like to read back some of this information, you can watch the webinar again on the media tab of our corporate website, ejuniper.com, and on our YouTube channel. Now, if you have questions, comments, doubts, please leave your questions on the chat that I indicated at the beginning of the presentation, and I'm going to answer all of them. Doesn't have sound. Hope it have sound, because if not, I will have to repeat it. Any else doesn't hear the presentation? Well, no questions. Well, as there's no questions at the moment, I'm going to comment the most question I have every time I went to the meeting with a prospect. Normally, the big concern or the big doubt on that is that who are the Juniper clients and who are these 1,500 agencies integrated into the Juniper Hub. Well, it's important to differentiate that, because Juniper clients, we consider Juniper clients the ones that are using our technology to manage their business. And we consider buyers the companies that doesn't use our technology, but they have been integrated into our web service, so they can buy product from our clients and also external suppliers that have access to the Juniper Hub. Well, as I see there's no questions, we are going to finish the presentation. And well, looks like yes. Hide Fukumoto, what is the timeline for completing the integration after signing on a supplier? Hide, thank you very much for your question. Normally, it takes 2 months to do a new integration, and 1 month of certification. How do clients see the products in Nexus Hub? Well, this is not Nexus Hub. This is the Juniper Hub. The clients will see the product that you agree with them, because at the end it's going to be an XML connection, and they will receive the content that you want to sell them with your availability and prices, obviously. More questions? Will Kangaroo clients be on Hub anytime? Yes. Well, Kangaroo clients, Kangaroo is a business unit inside of Juniper Group. All Kangaroo clients can use the Hub as a buyer and as a seller. What is the main difference between Juniper and Juniper Hub? Good question, Anna. Good question. Well, Juniper, let's say the Juniper booking engine is the whole solution that we offer for companies that want to manage their company and use the 100% of our connectivity. I mean, a Juniper client, a user of our booking engine solution, is able to connect directly to more than 800 different kind of suppliers, channel managers, flight content, transfers, activities, insurance, virtual credit cards, payment gateways, etc., 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 etc. And they can use all our modules like business intelligence, unique hotel, parallel search, comparison tool, etc., etc., etc. Also, they are able to distribute in any way through EDF, through push connection. Also, they can sell via pool connection, right? So the big difference between the Juniper clients and the Juniper Hub clients is that the Juniper Hub clients only are able to distribute their product on a pool connection, right? And our clients can distribute their product on any way. I hope I have clarified that for you, Anna. Okay, next question. If we wanted to register as an eJuniper supplier, we have to bring 3 clients. Well, we recommend that. I mean, Hide, the idea here is sorry. It's important to have clients to be connected because if not, it's not going to be worth it to have to apply the resources to implement a new integration and also to maintain this new integration. So that's a suggestion of our side. If you are willing to make the investment to be part of our portfolio, and then you are not going to be connecting any client or only one client, maybe it's not going to be worth it also for you. So that's the requirement or suggestion from our side. At least 3 clients to be connected in order to make worth it the connection. Okay. Thank you, Hide. Any more questions? Well, looks like we covered everything. So thank you very much for joining me today. If you have more questions, doubts, all of you can contact directly to Juniper, and the person, any of our part of the team, will be answering your questions and helping you to move forward with the project. Thank you very much.